Hey there, it's Angeline. I hope you're doing well. Today I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stem, and I'm going to show you how to play with your stencils on some colored cardstock. So today I'm starting off with the More Than Beautiful stem set by Unity, which I've already colored with some Copic markers. And I'm grabbing this large 12x12 stencil by Dear Lizzy, which is delicate and beautiful, and also the Hero Arts White Unicorn Pigment ink here. So I'm grabbing some pink colored cardstock by American Crafts and placing the stencil right above the cardstock and grabbing my white pigment ink along with my makeup blending brush and just carefully inking onto the stencil. Because this stencil is pretty delicate, so I just want to go slow and make sure every part of the cardstock is covered by the white ink. You could always use whatever inks that you want, but I wanted to mute down the cardstock without losing the pink, and that is why I have grabbed some white ink here to ink it up. You could always use different colors and experiment and just have fun with it. Once you're happy with the inking, just remove the stencil and voila! Here is your stencil design on some colored cardstock. Next, I'm trying to decide how to adhere the girl to my card, and I decided in the end to just go for a tilted kind of position to make it more interesting. And I've also added some Nuvo drops and Trendy Twine to my card as well. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!